Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a Facebook page for content creators. Creating a Facebook page for content creators offers several advantages, providing a platform to showcase content, connect with an audience, and build a personal or brand presence. Let's start by opening your Facebook app on your phone. Now, from your homepage, tap on the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Then, scroll down in the menu and tap on See More. Tap on the Pages option from here. After that, tap on the Create option for pages. Now, to create a page, tap to get started. Fill in the necessary details like the page name and category, selecting Gaming Video Creator as an example. After that, select what helps you describe your goals best. Choose Create Content and Connect with Fans, then tap to continue. Once the page is created, it is time to add a profile picture and a cover photo. So drag and adjust the cover photo as needed and click Save when satisfied. After that, tap See Dashboard of your page. You can see your page performance, engagement, net followers, reach, and content published. You can go into its insights and creation, and you can create a post from here. Let's give it a try by creating a post. It is time to add a picture or video to your post. Select the photo you want to upload and give a caption for it. Once you are done with both, click on Next and tap to post it. You can also see different options in here, such as Reels, bonuses, live ads, and many more. Next, let's check the page settings to ensure we have the right template. Go to Settings, then Templates and Tabs. Confirm that the template is set to video page designed to showcase video content. Now, head to the Creator Studio for analytics and video uploads. Click Create New and choose Upload Videos. While the video is uploading, enter the title, description, and other details. You can upload a custom thumbnail or use the one suggested. Click Next and Publish. Once the video is processed, it will show us Published. You can also check it on your Facebook page under the video section. And there you have it. Your Facebook page is set up for content creation. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.